STS as a company is here to support a number of operators in both the civil and military sectors in their aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul and modifications. STS was founded in America some 30 to 40 years ago, largely as a recruitment and labour support agency, but has expanded over the years to include line maintenance, hangar maintenance, where to now in Europe we have facilities within the UK, operations out of Shannon, we have teams out in Dubai and various other places around the world.
I think the thing that differentiates our business from others in our sector is that we're not actually tied to any other organisation. We're an independent company. We're very focused on what we do because that is a joy. It's a fantastic opportunity to be part of that journey going forward.
STS Aviation Services is part of a larger American group. There are a number of different holding companies, mainly based in the States. However, in the UK, we are 3 hangars, which is Manchester, Birmingham and Newquay. We also have operational sites from a line maintenance perspective at each of those airports.
The opportunities within STS are endless. We've got multiple types of aircraft across multiple locations, A330s, A320s, B737s, and also looking at the Boeing 777s.
You're going to get lots of exposure to different types of aircraft, whereas if you are working for a more dedicated airline, those opportunities might be more limited.
We're a very driven organisation. We're also transparent, we have fun, we invite open dialogue. We have a number of forums with our teams. We never lose sight of how important our frontline teams are, equally the support functions, and we all play our part in delivering the product safely and delivering shareholder return.
Like the fact that it's diverse, it's a very equal opportunity workplace. I always say to people, this is like a great place to work.
The working environment at STS is really quite relaxed and friendly, and everyone's here to get on with the job but also have a laugh as well.
I absolutely love it here. I've worked in this industry for about 15 years now. I wish I'd joined earlier.
As a growing company, there's never been as good a time to join STS.